everyone, welcome back to our channel. We had a lot of requests for some ponytails that we could put up and keep up throughout the day. This style will only take you about 5 minutes to do, and it's got some fun elastics up top and a ponytail in the back. If you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe by hitting that red button. We post new tutorials on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And if you want to see how to do this pulled back hairstyle, just keep watching. The first thing you're going to do is gather a small section of hair at the top of your daughter's hair and just clip it out of the way. You want a nice part line on both sides of this piece of hair. And then with the rest of the hair, I'm just putting it in a low ponytail out of the way so that I can work with this top section of hair. Next, I'm going to make a small ponytail at the front of her hair going all the way across from both part lines. And then I'll tie it off with a colorful elastic. I will link in the description box below where you can get any elastic or hair product that I'm using in this video. Next, I'm going to make 3 sections here. So I'm going to do a part line on the side and one on the back. And then next, I'm going to take a third of my front ponytail and pull my piece out and put it into that ponytail that I'm holding in my hand. Now I'm going to create a center ponytail, but before I do that, I'm just going to wet the hair down so that when I pull the pieces of hair back, there's no flyaways. And I'll just follow those same part lines, making a back part line that continues my line. And then I'll just comb the hair through and then grab another third of the hair from the front ponytail to add it to this back ponytail. Usually I wrap these little elastics around 3 to 4 times. I find is plenty tight. And then I'm going to go over to the edge and do another part line. This is why making those side part lines before you even get started is so important. That way you don't even have to worry about the rest of the hair. You can just deal with this top section of hair. Several times to get a nice straight part line. Don't be afraid to do it a few times until you get it right. And frankly, until you've really practiced doing it, sometimes parts can take several times. So just take your time with them because the parts are really what's going to set your hairstyle apart and make it look really nice and neat. Then I'm just going to gather up all those ponytails, put them back, and tie them off with another elastic. From here, you can wear the hair down if you like. You could just brush all the hair out. But I've had several requests for hairstyles that go up because I know a lot of you have to wear your hairstyle up for school. So this is definitely a hairstyle you can put up. So what I like to do to smooth the hair out is I use my black bristle brush, and I start by using water on my daughter's hair to get the flyaways in place. That way, if I don't need any additional spray gel, I won't put it on. But if I'm noticing on my left side here, you can see all the flyaways. So I'll come back in, add a little bit of spray gel, and then I'll just go back in with that black brush and smooth everything out. And I'll keep smoothing until it looks the way I want it to look. And then I tie it off with an elastic. My daughter has super thick hair, so I always put in 2 of these thick goody elastics. I find that it just holds her ponytail so much better. So that may be something that you might want to try, putting in the 2 elastics. I also made sure that this ponytail sat down a little bit lower because I'm planning on putting in a big bow. If you're not doing a bow, you may want to do your ponytail a little bit higher. I hope you guys liked this pulled back ponytail. If you have any other suggestions for us, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to do styles you want to see. And if you like this video, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and we'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.